Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing temporary disabled error in your Snapchat, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first you have to simply open your browser here, go for search and search for Snapchat support. But before you continue, you just have to go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also check for if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just tap on the first website from here, and here just wait for the loading, and then just scroll down and look for contact us. Tap on this option here, and here just select I can't access my account. And here just scroll down, and you'll get the option of my device is banned or temporarily disabled. Just select this option here, and here you'll get a quick way how can you easily fix the issue or how much you have to wait to automatically recover your account. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're facing Snapchat temporarily disabled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.